Mastering the phrase, be careful. Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into the commonly used English phrase, be careful. Understanding this phrase is crucial for everyday conversations. So, let's explore what it means and how to use it properly. Be careful is a phrase used to warn someone to avoid potential danger or to take precautions. It's a friendly reminder to pay attention to one's actions or surroundings to prevent accidents or mistakes. The phrase can be applied in various situations. Whether you're walking on a slippery floor, handling fragile items, or even giving advice about making decisions, be careful is versatile. We'll look at different scenarios where this phrase might come in handy. Tone of voice and body language can greatly change the meaning. Saying, be careful, with a smile can come off as caring, while a stern look may imply serious danger. Let's dissect these subtleties. Sometimes, you might want to say, be careful, without using those exact words. We'll explore some alternatives like, watch out, or, mind how you go. That convey a similar message but might fit better in certain contexts. We'll go through some interactive examples where you can practice deciding when and how to use be careful. Remember, context is key, and practice will help you master the phrase. And that's a wrap. Remember, saying, be careful, shows that you care about someone's well-being. We hope this video has helped you understand and use be careful more confidently in your daily English conversations. Stay safe, and see you in the next video.